Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of pullback indicators. So in today's video, I will be telling you about the same concept of high and low. Before that, I would like to mention that already I have discussed this same strategy on Bank Nifty and Nifty on the previous videos. So you can check the previous videos also. Currently, I will be telling you the same strategy on Bitcoin, crude oil, and your Forex. So it will be a compact video, and the indicator which I will use in this specific strategy will be pullback trend indicator. Also in this video, I will tell you that we are having two entry criterias in this specific strategy. I have already mentioned, first we have to look for the liquidity hunting. That means stop loss hunting needs to take place, then only we will trigger our entry, right? And the second criteria is only for the risky traders, that whenever they see a signal, they can directly take the entry. Okay, but it totally depends upon a person's risk appetite. So you can plan your trades according to your risk appetite. It totally depends upon the risk appetite. So now let's understand the strategy. For using this strategy, we would be needing the help of pullback trend indicator. Just click on pullback high and low and press OK, and this will be the indicator. It looks like this. We only have to focus on the lower signals. These same signals, slow signal we have to focus on. I will be showing you Bitcoin chart. It's on 1 minute time frame. So as it is a 1 minute time frame, so the risky traders also, if you are directly taking your entry on the breakouts, I can suggest you that you can wait for a small pullback or a retest also, because retesting can help you to avoid more stop losses, right? So this is the main logic behind this. So now let's see here, as we are getting a direct breakout on this specific zone. So this is a signal candle. You can mark the high of this specific candle. Okay, and as soon within 2 to 3 candles, if you get a good breakout, you can directly enter, or you can wait for the retest also. So on this level or either on this candle, you can take the entry, and then you have to only focus on 1:2 on the specific time, and 1:1.5 was being captured on this specific zone. Okay, this was one example. And now this was the liquidity graph example. See what happened on this specific zone. There was a low signal. Now focus here. Now see, there was a low signal on this specific zone, and there was a stop loss hunting on this specific candle. Price went down and it grabbed all the liquidity, and then it gave a good closing. These bullish candles were there, and you can see such a big momentum is being given by the candles. So trading these setups are much better in 1 minute time frames as compared to the direct entries. So this you have to keep in mind. Rest is your choice. So you can see here also we got a signal on this specific candle, and then there was a big momentum candle. Within 2 to 3 candles there was a good breakout with a momentum, and then you could have taken your entry on this specific zone also. Both the entries worked properly, and then here you can keep the stop loss, and your initial target will be 1:2. 1:2.79 was easily been captured. So trading this easy setup we all know, because in past videos also we have discussed a lot about the same specific strategy. But currently let's focus on the stop loss hunting areas. So we have to focus on that because that gives more momentum. So now you can see on this specific point, the price went very sharply down and all the stop losses were being triggered. But as soon when the price reached back to the specific level, so this was your high which we have already marked. This is the candle high of a signal, and on this specific breakout you would have taken the entry, and then you can keep the stop loss on the previous candle signal low, and then here you can keep the stop loss, and see how easily and such a big momentum after stop loss hunting happened. So that's why I focus on these types of setup, because after security hunting a very good momentum can be seen. 1:4 can be triggered easily, right? So let's see some more examples. If I would have marked, yes, you can see here also what happened. So easily see, here we got the low signal, and then we marked the low of the signal candle. Then liquidity grab happened. Liquidity grab happened twice in the same specific chart, and on this specific area, either you can take the entry on this specific breakout, or you can wait for the retest also, or even on this bullish momentum candle. This was the perfect entry because the candle was very good in the body also. So you would have taken your entry specifically here, and then easily after stop loss hunting, see, after trailing 1:5 was being easily captured. Here also same thing happened, and especially if you want to capture these types of big momentums, then stop loss hunting will be a good option. The liquidity grab happened on this specific zone, and then again we got a very good momentum candle breakout from this specific zone, and you can take the entry easily. You would have taken the entry on this specific area. Here the candle is a bit far, but it's okay, it's manageable. So after trailing, easily 1:2 was been again captured, right? Here also same thing happened. We were having a low signal, price went down, and then after the breakout, price immediately went up. So big momentums can be seen in this specific strategy. Now we'll focus on gold spot chart again on 1 minute time frame. Now see what is happening. We are having both the entry criteria in front of us. See, there was a low signal, and then within 2 to 3 candles, there was a good momentum candle breakout on this zone. Okay, here what happened? If you see, we had a breakout on this level, and then you would have taken your entry easily on this candle, and you can keep a stop loss below this signal candle, and then from here to here 1:5 was easily been captured. And here also the same thing happened. If you see, it's today's chart only, and if you will see this same direct entry or retest also happened. If you take your entry on here also, then easily again you can see 1:4. So these two entries were based upon our direct breakout entries. Okay, and if we want to see the liquidity hunting, if you want to see the stop loss hunting, then these specific criteria are your entry in this level. Price went down, and then again it went up, so easily you can take your entry specifically on this breakout, and you can keep a stop loss below this previous candle swing, or you can keep here also. Okay, and easily see 1:4 was easily been captured from this zone. Here also same thing happened. There was a low signal, and then immediately, so this specific red candle eat all the stop losses of the buyers, and again immediately it gave a very big momentum candle on this specific zone. Keep this either on the swing low or on the signal candle low, and easily 1:1.24 was being captured. And if you would have trailed, then easily you can see the price went at the same area. So let's see one more example. See, here also liquidity hunting happened. There was a low, price went down, and then it came up on this specific zone, but it was unable to break the level. This candle broke the level very easily with a good momentum, and here you can take your entry, and here you would have taken your entry, and easily this target was achieved. Now we are having natural gas chart on 1 minute time frame. Here also same thing happened. Just observe the liquidity hunting. There was a low signal, then this candle it grabbed the liquidity, and again on this closing you can take the entry, and easily you can see 1:2 was being captured. If you can take the entry on this specific candle, then 1:2.23 was being captured. Okay, let's see one more example. So here also same thing happened. Stop loss hunting happened on this zone also. There was a low signal candle. We marked the level, then the price came down. So basically, as per our entry criteria, you can take the entry on this specific candle because it is a bullish Marubusa candle also. You can keep the stop loss on the below level, and easily 1:2 was being captured here also. Let's see one more example. See, here also same thing happened. There was a low, and on this candle, right, on this candle the liquidity grab happened, and then easily you can take the entry on this specific candle. Okay, here you would have taken the entry. You can keep the stop loss on the previous wick, and then easily again 1:2.17 was being captured, right? So this is a simple logic of stop loss hunting. Here also you can see there was a low signal on this zone. Okay, we marked the low. Here liquidity grab happened, everything. So here stop loss hunting happened once again. There was a momentum candle closing on this specific area, and you can again take the entry, and easily you would have captured at least 1:1. I think so. Yeah, 1:1 was being captured. Now let's see one example of crude oil chart also on 1 minute time frame. Here also the same thing happened. There was a low signal, then we marked a low of the candle. Then stop loss hunting happened, price came down, and then again it gave a good momentum closing inside. And then here you would have taken your entry on this specific zone, and then from this level to here, easily you would have captured 23 points. Okay. See, here also the same thing happened. Low signal, price came down, it price came down, the candle, the price came down, then again liquidity grab happened, and again on this specific candle closing or on this candle you can take the entry, and easily here also you would have captured a good score in case you have kept the stop loss on the previous swing low also. So easily 1:2.23 was being captured. Okay, let's see one more example in case if you are having. Yes, here also if you will observe, Same thing happened. There was a low signal. This candle ate the stop losses, and then here on this momentum candle you would have taken your entry, and from this candle to this candle easily would have captured 29 points. So this strategy is simply based upon the psychology. We only have to observe that where stop loss hunting is taking place. So once you are familiar with the stop loss hunting areas, then it will be very much easier to grab the big momentums of the market. Okay, and for using this strategy, you would be needing the help of pullback indicators, and for pullback indicators, you would be needing a subscription. The link we have already given in the same description of the same video, and you can check that. For any query, you can directly message me on WhatsApp also. So till the time, stay tuned in the market. We will be uploading the videos on the daily basis. Till the time, thank you everyone for watching this video. Have a good day.